In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do bank transfers in Xero. If you're ready to streamline your accounting process, we're about to go through each step to ensure everything's crystal clear. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to log in to your Xero account. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the Xero dashboard. This is the central hub of your Xero experience, where you can see an overview of all your financial data. Here, you'll also have an array of options to help you navigate and make the most of what Xero has to offer. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, especially focusing on the toolbar. What you'll want to do next is locate and click on the Accounting tab. This tab is essentially your gateway to managing all your financial records within Xero, offering a streamlined way to handle your accounts. Once you've got the drop-down menu open, go ahead and click on Bank Accounts. This action will take you to a section dedicated to all the bank accounts you have linked with Xero. It's a handy spot to view all your accounts at a glance. Now, on the Bank Accounts page, you'll need to find the specific account from which you'd like to transfer funds. Once you've located it, click on the Manage Account button situated next to your selected account. A list of management options will appear, and among them, you'll spot the option for Transfer Money. Click on this option, and it will lead you to a new page specifically for making transfers. Here on the transfer page, you'll need to specify several details about your intended bank transfer. First, you need to select the account from which the funds will be debited, followed by selecting the account to which the funds will be credited. Double-check your selections here. It's crucial because you want to ensure you're transferring funds to the correct account. Once you're confident about your account choices, it's time to move on to inputting the transfer amount. Carefully enter the exact amount you intend to transfer and double-check that your original account has sufficient funds to cover this transaction. Before completing the transfer, take an extra moment to review all the details. This review step is essential, as it helps to prevent any errors or accidental transfers. Make sure everything looks correct, including the accounts involved and the exact amount being transferred. If everything checks out, go ahead and click on the Transfer button. This final action will execute the transfer, updating your account balances in Xero immediately. And just like that, you've successfully completed a bank transfer using Xero. If you found this video helpful or have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, the more you practice these steps, the more proficient and confident you'll become in handling your accounts. Thanks for tagging along, and happy accounting!